Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
State President Joka National People's Party Dr. W.R. Khalukhi haka pratri unai wing ar hajar puar ulaong Paidbah nong shong jongka jelahi kin saai ke Jubab ke Badei ni ke Bakla halor ke jingshim khia jongka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance banya penbe ye upud usam ubla sateng la san post nem kinti haka jing kran mat kilat pathai khobor Dr. Khalukhi ulaong baki seng san pathai kin sale chaki Paidbah haus nem ar hajar ar phulai bar haka ta kapor ki Paidbah ru kin saai ke Jubab la ka jing penbe ye upud kalong ka Badei la ni ka Bakla.
We will go to the people, let the people decide. For 50 years, nothing was done on this. We are trying our best and we will go to the people. 2023, the people will decide whether what we did is wrong or what we did is right. Because it's very easy to blame. But why don't those people who blame give us like a time that if they are voted to power, that they will solve this issue. It's just blaming will not help. Yeah, we are trying our level best. We have asked the government, we have passed the resolution on ILP. And well, there in Delhi, it's up to the central government. If the central government, like what you said, it is true, I don't know, I didn't see this, then what stopped them from giving? Congress when their power. This is a long time demand, right from during my student days, that was in 1980. Congress also never listened to this demand. That's why we build up NPP. We want to build a strong regional party in the northeast. We go to Delhi, we don't beg, we demand. If we have 15, 16 MP, that is where our power lies. So I think our people also should realize that we cannot fight in isolation. And myself, I have been a student leader. I have seen during 79-80 as Northeast Region Student Union how powerful we put our demand to Delhi at the time, as student leaders. You want something from Delhi, at least you have to have a very strong political party in the Northeast. The national party will go for the national